This is John from JC Chinese. How are you doing? And in this video, we are going to learn two new Chinese characters regarding orientation. They are 前, front, and 后, back or behind. Now this camera is 在我的前面, in front of me, and this whiteboard 在我的后面, is behind me. Now let's look at these two characters. 前 front, 后 behind or back. Now please follow me and let's write those two characters together. So the first character we are going to write here is 前. It means front. Now pay attention to the stroke order. 前, the first stroke is a dot. And then a very small downward left stroke. A horizontal stroke. A vertical stroke, and a horizontal stroke with a downward turn and a hook, and then a horizontal stroke, and then a vertical stroke, and last, a vertical stroke with a hook. So there are in total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 strokes of this character. Now I'm going to write down its pinyin. I'm going to use this red pen to write down its initial. This character's initial is 七. And I'm going to use this blue pen to write its finals. And this character's finals are yan. And its tone is rising tone. Its pinyin is 七安前 with 9 strokes. I'm going to write this character again. You can write it with me. 前 Pay attention to the stroke order. 前 It means front. And this character structure is a top-bottom structure. And this part here, I'm going to use this color. Is this character's top structure, top part. And this part here is this structure's bottom part. 前 And the next one is 后. It means back. I'm going to write it here. Now pay attention to the stroke order. 后 First one is a flat downward left stroke. And then a downward left stroke. A horizontal stroke. a vertical stroke, a horizontal stroke with a downward turn, and a hook. And last one, a horizontal stroke. And this character has in total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 strokes. And its pinyin is ho. This pinyin's initial is he, and its final is o, and its tone is falling tone. Ho. I'm going to write this character again. Ho. Pay attention to the stroke order. It means back. And the structure of this character is a half-covered structure. Pay attention to the structure here. This part here is covered by this part. So it's a half-covered structure. Next, let's look at some vocabularies. We just learned two characters regarding orientation, 前 and 后. Now, let's use those two characters to form some vocabularies. First one we are going to learn is 前面. I'm going to write it down here. 前面. It means in front. Or in front of.前面，他在我前面。He is in front of me. 前面。Next vocabulary is 后面. Exactly, 后面. It means at back. Alright guys, thanks for watching. If you like our videos, please give us a thumbs up and hit subscribe below. Thanks again. 感谢观看。